بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم magacaygu waa Mohamud Hagi Elmi waxaan ku noolahay dalka Ingiriiska magaalada London waxaan maanta bixin doonaa presentation ama arrin aan rabo inaan ugu faa'iideeyo ummadda Soomaaliyeed si looga hortago abaaraha nagu soo noqnoqday slide-ku ugu horeeya wuxuu leeyahay creating an ecosystem that provide drought resilience and food security ways to push back boundaries of poverty. Continuous contour trench Valerian system is a two method which restore degraded land. We will explain later on. Defining the drought. Drought is nothing but lack of soil moisture to support vegetation. Africa groundwater reserves in kilometer cubic. Somalia is highlighted. We have got 12,300 kilometer cubic of water. It is unfortunate having 12,300 kilometer cubic reserves of water reserves and not able to manage the reoccurring drought. That is very unfortunate. This is the Balliga Omad reservoir after a heavy rainfall. Balliga Omad rob xooggan kadib. Sidaas ayuu ekaanaysaa bilo yar kadib roob la'aan, few months later without rain. Improvement and restoration, that's what we need to do these days. When it rains, the 100% of the rainfall doesn't go through the biomass. 30% goes to 70 goes evaporation. Evapotranspiration goes 25 to 40. Drainage or infiltration 0 to 10%. That's the amount we need. Is something to be avoided. Is runoff 10 to 25. Continuous contour trench. Dhufaysyada isdabayaal kaydinta biyaha roobka waa midaan aad ugu baahanay dalka Soomaaliya. Maxaa yeelay roobku markuu doo continuous contour trench waxay noo ogolaanayaan in biyuhu ay dhulka noo galaan labada continuous labada dhufays inta u dhaxaysa waa inay noqdaan ilaa 20 mitir dhaxdooda way qoyaysaa muddo badan waxa way u adkaysanayaan abaaraha oo waxa jirayo in wax la yiraahdo soil moisture. Continuous contour trench, the effect after the rain. This is stone bands. Soomaaliya dhagaxyo badan ayay leedahay. Dadka waa in lagu baraarujiyaa inay arrimahan oo kale ku dhaqaaqaan si ay mataqaana ula diriraan the run off ama biyaha ku dul cararay dhulka korkiisa. RTI, Rather Technology International, Water Exploration, the emerging technology. Badi goobka biyaha ku jira dhulka hoose waxa aad ugu takhasusay nin Francis oo loo yaqaano Alan Gashet. RTI results 1,700 wells drilled all over Darfur in 2 years with success rate jumping from 33% to 98%. Enough water to save 33 million persons, not only 3 million, saved $500 million in water tracking. Emerging technology, this is the system he uses. This is Turkana area, covers 163 kilometers square. And the black image, the black dots you can see is promising aquifer system in that area. Balerani system, a success story, a mechanized technology of water harvesting to restore arid and desertified soil. Delfino 3 in action. This machine worked many parts of the world, worked 14 countries all over the world, including Burkina Faso, Chad, China, Egypt, Jordan, Kenya, Morocco, Niger, Senegal, Syria, Sudan, Tunisia, Mongolia, and Madagascar. Over 250,000 hectares, which is equivalent 2,500 kilometers square of arid and degraded land have been plowed so far with good results. This is the result of applying Valerian system in Burkina Faso. This is the result after 10 years. Few months after the rain. After a long dry spell, still the land is covered with trees and grass. This is very good because it absorbs the water when it rains. It holds water, it has got a water retention capacity or water holding capacity. Underground fresh water in each continent, estimated total volume in kilometer cubic. North America, 4,300,000 kilometer cubic. Europe, 1,600,000 kilometer cubic. Asia, 7,800,000 kilometer cubic. Latin America, 3 million kilometer cubic. Africa, 5,500,000 kilometer cubic. And finally, Australia, 1,200,000 kilometer cubic. Surface fresh water in each continent, estimated total volume in kilometer cubic. Again, Africa is the leading, 31,776 kilometer cubic, followed by Asia, 30,622. Global physical and economic water scarcity. When we are talking about the physical scarcity means physical occurs when the demand of the population exceeds the available water resources of a region. Economic water resources, economic water scarcity occurs when water is adequate but is unavailable due to lack of a significant investment in water infrastructure. As you can see, is a color coded. All the blue Africa, most of Africa is defined as economic water scarcity. They have got the resources, but they are not able to extract, lack of investment and know-how technology. Drought, again, this is something that is inevitable in dry lands. If the landscape is healthy with good soil cover and has a high biodiversity, then it is going to be more resilient to the effect of drought. Once a drought is over, the land needs time to recover, just as a person needs time to recover after a hardship. Take home points. Precipitation is not the most important factor in determining an ecosystem productivity. It is how much water goes through the biology of the ecosystem that matters. A more biodiverse ecosystem is better in utilizing solar and water resources. Bare ground is very bad for any ecosystem, reduces the amount of precipitation that can be biologically utilized. Dhulka angegan oo aan dhirta lahayn aad ayuu ugu xun yahay any ecosystem, sababtoo ah dhulka haddii uu saas u qalalan yahay waxaa loo baahan yahay in dhir lagu beero ama godad badan laga qodo si uu u yeesho waxa afka qalaad loogu yaqaano water holding capacity ama water retention capacity. This is United Nations decade on ecosystem restoration started already from 2021 and it will be finished in 2030. Questions? Any questions so far?